God existed before, because Genesis 1 verse 1 says, in the beginning. God was the beginning. So He's a creator God. He started everything. Whether we understand it or not, He did. And one day we'll see. We also acknowledge then that He is omniscient. He knows everything. He knows my heart. He knows what I feel about my colleague at work, my teachers at school, my husband, my wife, my children. He knows my innermost thoughts. Our potter knows as well that he can change everything because he's omnipotent. Omnipotent. He's got all the power to do it. He can provide in the middle of a desert. He can open up the sea. He can move mountains. He can raise the dead from the grave. And He can change our lives. We also recognize that He's omnipresent, that He's everywhere around us. There where I'm gathered with my colleagues, there where I'm on my phone, there where I'm watching a movie, He's right there because He loves us. He wants to be with us, and now our decision is, do we want to be with Him? And this imagery of clay, how the potter molds us, reminds us that God wants to spend time with us.